The StanbyME of 2022 was a game changer amongst smart TVs. Its main drawcard, portability. You could roll your entertainment from room to room, and the built-in battery meant total freedom. But today, we're going to talk about the brand new StanbyME 2. So we're going to look at the top 4 features and explain why they matter. Those features are detachable touchscreen, 4-hour battery life, upgraded connectivity with USB-C, and the folio cover and hanging strap. Obviously, the first thing that pops into mind when you see the StanbyME 2 is portability. The built-in battery and wheels on the stand let you bring your entertainment where a permanent TV isn't practical. Can you guess the #1 requested room? It's the kitchen. Home cooks can feel a bit separated from the fun. The StanbyME 2 lets them watch Netflix or follow a cooking tutorial. Parents also love the StanbyME 2 for kids' bedrooms. You can let them watch TV or play a game, perfect as a reward, but then you can take it away when it's homework time. Finally, nothing beats catching the footy while relaxing on the patio or in the shed. Ask your customers about the second and third TVs in their house. Most likely, these are old living room TVs. They take up lots of space and you can't access the latest apps anymore. Is it really worth keeping them? StanbyME 2 is the perfect solution. It's a TV where you want it, when you want it, and the touchscreen means less fluffing around with the remote when moving between locations. The biggest improvement to the StanbyME 2 is the detachable screen. One push on the back, and now you have the flexibility to use it in tablet mode, or you can hang it on the wall. The detachable screen makes moving house so easy, which is why we sell many to students. Just pack and go, and it fits in every car without a worry. That extra hour on the StanbyME 2 compared to the previous StanbyME means more time to watch between recharges. It also expands the use cases, including watching outdoors. Maybe you want to watch a gardening video while you're in the garden, or catch the cricket next to the pool. You can also use it for signage at the entrance to a small business. Or what about a portable presentation screen for your next business pitch? Even with the extended battery playtime of the StanbyME 2, it is only 4.3 kilos in tablet mode. If you want even longer battery playtime, check out the next video. The side USB-C port lets users connect a 100-watt power bank for a fast recharge when on the go. That's going to give you an extra 2 to 3 hours from an average 27,000 milliamp power bank, depending on how you use it. Connectivity in laptops has changed recently, but StanbyME 2 has you covered with 2 USB-C ports, HDMI, and the option to connect a webcam. The StanbyME 2 is the perfect work from home monitor, conveniently standing over your kitchen table or bedroom desk. Right now, most laptops are starting to ship without a HDMI port, so you'll be glad to know that all you need is USB-C straight to the side, and the StanbyME 2 can even recharge your laptop while you're working. Don't forget to offer the StanbyME 2 as a monitor option in your next laptop sale. For clever smartphone users, there's Apple AirPlay and Google Cast as well. And that's perfect for when you turn the StanbyME into wall hanging art. Let's learn more about the accessories in the next video. The StanbyME 2 includes the folio cover, so you can carry the StanbyME 2 without getting dust and fingerprints on the screen. It also makes a handy kickstand when used as a tablet. The hanging strap is super convenient and dual purpose too. You can use it as a shoulder strap when on the move, and you can even wall mount the StanbyME as a TV without holes in the walls or any major installation. These 2 accessories are included in the StanbyME 2 box, valued at approximately $200. So to wrap up, the StanbyME 2 redefines the way a smart TV fits into the Australian home. If you want to sell one, try asking your customers these questions. Would you like a smart TV in the kitchen? Do you want a bigger screen for your hobbies? Do you need a TV for your kid's bedroom, but not all the time? And are you a business that needs a bigger screen to close the deal? Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.